ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, good evening guys. Welcome back to the maths classes here at Excel PU College Guruvayanakere. Before commencing the class, I think you are watching a small poster, and that is what we have made. And first of all, I congratulate for your 10th result. We have seen a very wonderful result you have made, and we wish should continue the journey of success at our colleges. You could see that there is a one program we made it there, Excel Belaku, right? You just call to that numbers, so you will get that all benefits. Yeah, sure, very nice, very nice. Benefit is that if anybody scored more than a 618 in a state board, they will get a free education. Okay, no tuition fees, nothing, only you need to pay for the staying purpose. And in a CBSE, if your score is 96 plus and IGCSE also, then surely you are going to get a same free education, only staying things you need to give. So inform your friends and get all those success people to excel. Okay, right. So now as usual, we'll get into the integration class here. Yes, I just congratulate everyone. I have seen so many people has got a very nice results. Very good, very good. 95. Oh, very nice. Yeah, for ICSE also same thing. 96 plus, if your score is there, you just call to that number, they will give a total information. Very nice. 87 is also good. Nice. Now ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ result. Mine is 78. Oh, Alisha Nadaf 97. Very nice. 94. Very good, very good. Very nice to see your results. Okay, right. Srinika, okay, something you have made. And I just want to tell you, don't ask me when college is going to start. Okay, nange gottidru na helala. Okay, right, very nice. ಅದು ನಂಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತು, CBSE ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಬೋರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓ, ವೈದೇಹಿ 97.28. Right, Vaidehi and some here Alisha, you do call to our college number there, which it was displayed at the beginning, and you get the information about that. Aito Pratik, no problem, you wait for the result. Right, now get into the class now. Come back here. It's an integration what we have started, right? Formulae, why are types of integrals and all that. Okay, right. Yeah, Aditya Sardar, you got a 101. Very good. You call to that number, you go there. Right. Here, integration, there are two things. One is indefinite integrals and one is definite integral. right? Indefinite integral represents family of a curves whereas definite integral represents area. Okay, indefinite integral represents a family of a curves and definite integral represents a area under the curve or between the curves. Right, now the second point is just a formulae. Without the formulae nothing is there. Right, what is that integral? We will start with the indefinite integral, that is integral of f of x dx, which is equal to capital F of x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Right, now one by one formula I will write here instead of writing here. Okay, let me write, okay, here only, let's see. It's an integration of x raised to n dx. The answer is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of e raised to x, or especially if I want to write the integration of e raised to ax, then coefficient of x you need to divide, that is e raised to x integration is e raised to x divided by a plus c. Integration of a raised to x dx, it is a raised to x divided by log a and plus c as it is. It is a constant of integration. And then integration of 1 by x dx, it would be ln of x, especially mod x anta tagolteve now because log ali negative values are not defined. Right, guys, this is x, don't get confused. And then integration of sin x, trigonometric functions, when we start, integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x, it's a sin x plus c. Integration of tan x, it is minus log cos x plus c. Okay, whenever log comes you just have a modulus over that. Integration of secant x, it is log of secant x plus tan x and the c. Integration of cot x, it would be log sin x, and integration of cosec x, it is minus log of cosec x plus cot x. Right, this is what in the last classes we have seen. Okay, so that is what we have done in the last classes. Guys, come back to the class. I have seen your results, it's very nice. CBSE result may be in the second week of May and all that, it may come. It's wait for the good result. Right, now the case is here. These are the formulae list you need to have compulsorily. Addition with this, we have some more formulae that is must and should required, that is integration of secant square x dx, it is tan x. Integration of cosecant square x dx, it is minus cot x plus c. Right, these two are very important. Frequently we will use the integrations here, right, especially the secant square x integration and tan x integrations and cosecant square x integrations and cot x integrations. So that repeated cases we going to have, those are very important. If at all you want, you can write them up. Then we will start with some particular problems on integration today. Take a minute and write them up. Dx represents, it's a change in a x-axis, that comes in integration part. We will discuss that in detail at the PU level. Right then. Good. Once you finish, then let's get into the problems of integration here. Basic problems will go. A simple one and very easily can understood the things. What is f? F means what? Where is the f? F is a function. If you are asking for this one, it is a function. F of x is a function. Now function ಅನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ curve ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So that is what the case, right? Now there is a one thing you need to work, especially the trigonometric identities are very important at this point. I do write the trigonometric identities, that is 1 plus cos 2x, which is equal to 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x, it is 2 sin square x. These two are much required, especially in a physics related class. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it is already explained and we have already taken the formula list, but to just have a recapitulation on that, I have written, that's all. Okay, because I solved on each of one formulae some problems. Right, now we are going little higher problems so that you could understand how to get into the integral part with the trigonometric functions especially. Okay, right, very good. Now I just made some points here. This is a 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x and 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. So this is how we are going to work. Let's just see here. If I take a problem, they are asking you to find integration of sin square x dx. This is what the critical thing we are going to work. Sin square x the integration nam kade illa, because when you look into the formula, everywhere there is no sin square terms or a sin cube terms or a sin raised to 4 terms. So nam kade illa. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We need to convert them to a particular formula. What is that formula? It is 1 plus 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2 equal to sin square x. ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ instead of sin square x, I can write in the equation, it is 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2 dx. I replaced the sin square x by 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Understand ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುವ? ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. That is 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 2, you can take it out, it is a cos 2x dx. That integration is made a separate thing, and then 1 by 2 out, integration of 1 dx is x minus 1 by 2, integration of cos is sin, and it is a sin 2x and divided by coefficient of x plus c. This is what the required answer. Just get into that, write it down, and if you understood, tell me, or if you have any doubt, you could ask. Except college ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ ಅದೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Yeah, I'll do it. First you write it down. And this is already a question which is asked in examination also. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ KCET and even for some other states CET level examinations. Don't worry, I'll explain it. See, we are being asked to calculate the integral of a sin square x, but we know the integration of sin x, which is minus cos x, which we can write it out, but it is a sin square. Sin square means ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, which is already represented here in the red, and you can copy that one same thing here. Okay, then what is going to happen here? Separate them. Okay, what is the separation? 1 by 2 separate ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 as it is, and then cos 2x integration, right? So 1 by 2 x ಅಂದರೆ 1 integration of 1 dx. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ ಮೊನ್ನೆ, integration of 1 dx is x plus c ಅಂತ, right? So that is what you need to work. So 1 dx integration will be x plus c. So that is what I have done, right? Cos 2x, and cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2. Remember this, sin 2x integration will be, sorry, cos 2x integration will be sin 2x by 2. Coefficient of x you have to divide. Hope it is clear. Sanju, you just adjust the things, because it from our side it is it's very clear. I just explained it. We'll solve the next problem, you just listen to that. I'll change the color of a pen if you required. One problem will be explained only 2 times. Screen is clear only, your resolutions is a problem. Make some good resolutions, sit at a particular area where you get a very good network, because it's a YouTube issues which we cannot make them happen properly. Our side it is very nice. Now I'll just take another same problem. Hold the change, I'll color change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ color. Integration of, let me take a similar problem, cos square x dx. Okay, we have a formula 1 plus cos 2x. ಇದನ್ನಾದರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 equal to cos square x. Right, now you replace a cos square x by this formula, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 and the dx. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 2 ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, dx ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and integral of cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Now let's have integration of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 here, and 1 dx is x plus cos, first of all you take a 1 by 2 out, then cos 2x integration. Look at this, cos x integration is sin x, but ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದು cos 2x ಇದೆ. What we need to do? It's a sin 2x, the coefficient of x you have to divide, right? So that is what you are going to get, and the plus c. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ last step you can simplify it. It is x by 2 plus sin 2x by 4 plus c. This could be the final answer. Just see that one. if you are finding a screen is not clear, adjust your resolutions, guys. It's not problem from our side. Try to understand. It is a network issues at your end. Okay, not our end. Surely we'll make it happen because we are working on that. We are running an online class with our technicians are also there with us. They are also working with us. And even they are listening to our classes also. See, from our side it is very clear. Surely RCB match ಇದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗುವ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅ ಟಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ಹೋಗೋರು ರೈಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ take the simple one more example. Look at this. I just want to take a normal example, that is integration of tan 3x dx. Okay. If you want to integrate the tan 3x, what do we need to do? First ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ tan ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ tan ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ tan ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನು minus log cos x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ 3x ಓಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ coefficient of x we have to divide. What is the coefficient of x? It is a 3. Just write the 3 and a plus c. That's it. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. It's all direct case, direct things you need to work. Okay, right. Hope you understood this example. Take another example, a simple one. Integration of secant square 2x. Okay. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ 2x ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ 2x ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ tan 2x divided by 2 plus c because second square integration is just a tan x and that what we have shown here. Okay, do it fast. Nice, nice. Somebody answer also, somebody answer good, correct one only. Very nice. Yes, Manoj, obviously we will repeat these topics with a higher level. I am taking just a basic level here. Once you come, you will be surprised with the different kinds of examples. Don't worry about that. And even we have got our own college material also there. You can get the material, you can work on the material, and in the material there are so many problems we have mentioned, and even in the class also we will work so many examples. ಓಕೆ ಸಾಕು ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ calculators are not allowed, even calculators are not allowed in theory examination. Some subject has got a use of calculators, but I don't refer it because for us manual calculation is more than sufficient. Okay, you come join us and surely I'll take a one class without calculator how to work on the numericals and all that. Okay, now today I'm taking a direct one concept that is very important for the calculation part, right? So that let's see here, that we will write in a red one because it's most important one. Okay, see that what we call it as integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay, ಏನಿದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ TS ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. Look at this, how it is mentioned. Let u and v are two, u and v are two functions of x, then product u into v dx. How this product of integral will be calculated? Previously you can say we have done only a single integral, ಒಂದೊಂದು trigonometric function ಆಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ algebraic functions ಆಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್, ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್, ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ and all that. In this also we have a product rule, that what we call it as a integration by parts. This is very important for your physics part also. Look into this, it's a uv dx. What we do, keep the u as it is, integrate v dx, means v anna integrate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, minus integral of v dx, ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, into derivative of u, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟು, and the dx as it is. Try to understand ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, and this is what dx for the particular case. Okay, that what we need to work. Now I'll take a very small example, try to understand. And before going to this, there is a one point you need to understand. ನಾನೀಗ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೂಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಐಲೆಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಐಲೆಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಐಲೆಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ trigonometric functions. Okay, I andre inverse trigonometric functions. L antandre logarithmic functions. A antandre algebraic functions. Right, algebraic function. T antandre trigonometric functions. And E antandre exponential functions. What this Eilert rule will do, that is very important. Eilert rule will give you information on first function. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಐಲೆಟ್ ರೂಲು. ಐಲೆಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it gives an information on a first function. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Once we take a first function, it is need not to work on a second function. Automatically second function will be there as it is. So this is how we are going to work on a integration by parts. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡುವ. Do it fast. Hope you are understanding my classes. If yes, just give the thumbs. And ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ರು, ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Because you are our assets. Write them. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ. Yes, it is similar to your Bodamas rule. Very nice, very nice. Vinayak, you got some good knowledge. It's very important. Yes. Yeah. If it is understood, then I'll take two nice problems. Listen to that carefully. Okay, I do keep this eyelet rule. I just remove the formulae and all this. Okay, I need to remove this formula. Hope you have written the formulae. Okay, we'll solve the problems here. I do take a simple problem to make you understand. That is, I take x sin x. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಯಾಯಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಲಿ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಯಾಯಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಯಾಯಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, right, and the sin x is the second function. So ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸೇ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟು the derivative of first function, and ಈ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ algebraic function and sin x is a trigonometric function. Then x is the first function, keep it as it is, integration of a second function minus integral of integration of a second function already which we have done there, that only we need to keep, and then derivative of the first function and dx for the outer side integral. Answer barita hogbiduva. X as it is, that is integral of sin x is minus cos x minus integral of this term is minus cos x into the derivative of x is 1, okay, into the dx, this outer one. It's a minus x cos x, minus into minus it becomes a plus, integration of sin x dx, which is equal to minus x cos x, and integration of sin is again a, sorry, integration of what, hold on, minus cos x into the, it becomes a plus cos x, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin x and plus c as it is. Just get into this properly and write it down. Right. Yeah, obviously x will be multiplied to the minus cos x. Vinayak, x is missing there. X cos x minus x cos x it is. ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಇರಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಫ್ಯಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 18 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆವು. ನೀ 18 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದು ಓದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಗ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ತರಬಾರ್ದು, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಕೂಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಬೇಗ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಜೈ ಹೋ ಅನ್ಸುವ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು 7-8 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್. Write that. This problem carries 3 marks or a 2 marks sometimes. Now theory weightage ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ it is around 20 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ will be there. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪ್ದು ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. And it is a highest weightage topic, integration. And second one is differentiation, which we already completed. Okay, take another problem and then we'll close for the day. It's an integration of e raised to x into cos x dx. Okay, e raised to x into cos x ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಐ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ. e raised to x into cos x, you take it as a homework and tell me the answer later. Now let's decide the x and the e raised to x, which is the first function, which is the second function. X is an algebraic function, right, and e raised to x is an exponential function, right. So means x is the first function and e raised to x is the second function. So now let's work it out. Keep the first function as it is, integration of e raised to x dx minus integration and then integration of e raised to x into derivative of x and then outside it is a dx. Just work it out. X as it is, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integral of e raised to x. It is e raised to x only into derivative of x is 1 and we do have a outside dx. Next, the last step here, x e raised to x, and integration of e raised to x is again, it's a e raised to x only, plus c. What you can do, you can take a e raised to x common, it is x minus 1 plus c. This would be the final answer. Just write it down. Competitive weightage KCT around 6 to 7 question barutte. JEE minimum 2 to 3 questions ಆದರೂ ಇದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ 2 questions ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀಟಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Write it. If you have any doubt, you ask me or else say bye bye for the day. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Yes, bye bye guys. There will be a no next class. Shivlila, in physics class to get a marks it is useful. What happened Pragati? What is confusion? Don't worry, you just go through it once, it will solve the confusion. It's not the big thing. Next class I will take one small example here on the by parts, and then we will go to the definite integrals. Okay, do it up. Yes, Jai RCB. Bye bye.